Hey there! I know running a business can feel like a juggling act. That's where I come in, working behind the scenes to make sure your finances and operations run smoothly. In this Excel, it is all the transactions of my client. This is how I organize the transactions of my client so that it is easy to log in the QuickBooks system. Since my client doesn't have an invoices, only bank statement. So what did I do? I made a folder and then in every transaction of the client, I organized it by bank accounts and then I put all the pages of the transactions where my client sent to me. This one, it is all about showing all the client's transaction in his chart of accounts that already reconcile in the QuickBooks system. While you focus on growing your business and leading your team, I handle the details behind the scenes, keeping your books accurate, workflow smooth, and systems stress free. Let's get your back and running like a clockwork. I've got your back so you can focus on your business taking to the next level.